Daily Life English Podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about how to control your thoughts.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, have you ever had a day where your mind is very busy? You think about many things at the same time?
Oh, all the time. It feels like a busy street in my head.
Exactly. Sometimes we think about the past or we worry about the future.
Yes, and that makes it hard to be happy in the present.
Do you think we can actually control our thoughts?
That is a big question. I think we cannot stop thoughts from coming, but we can choose which ones to keep.
That is a great way to say it. We are the boss of our mind.
Exactly. Let's talk about the word control.
It is a very useful verb. I want to control my time. I want to control my stress.
It means you have the power to change something.
That is a good explanation. So how do you control your thoughts, Sophia?
I like to use deep breathing. When my mind is busy, I take 3 deep breaths.
Does it help?
Yes, it helps me focus on the now. It calms my body and my mind.
Breathing is so simple, but we often forget to do it correctly.
That is true. It is a very healthy habit.
I like to write my thoughts on paper. I call it a thought dump.
A thought dump? That sounds interesting. Tell us more.
When I have many worries, I write them all down. Once they're on paper, they feel smaller.
That is a great tip. It's like cleaning your room. You take the mess out of your head.
Exactly. Let's talk about the word worry.
Worry is a very common feeling. I worry about my work. I worry about the future.
It is a regular verb. The past tense is worried.
I was worried yesterday, but I feel better today.
Perfect sentence. Listeners, can you try to say that? I was worried, but I feel better.
That is a very positive way to speak.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
We love helping you grow your English and your mind.
Sophia, what about positive thinking? Does it really work?
I believe it does. If you think positive thoughts, you have more energy to do things.
I agree. If you say, I can do this, you are more likely to succeed.
It's like telling your brain what to do.
Do you ever have negative thoughts?
Sometimes, yes, I'm human, but I try to catch them and change them.
How do you catch them?
I ask myself, is this thought true? Usually, it is not true.
That is a very smart strategy. Is this thought true?
Yes, often we worry about things that will never happen.
That is so true. We waste so much energy on what ifs.
Let's talk about the phrase, what ifs.
What if I fail? What if they don't like me?
Those are the what ifs. They are not helpful.
We should replace them with what if I succeed?
That is a much better way to think.
Listeners, what do you do when your mind is busy?
Please write your answer in the comments. We want to hear your tips.
Do you exercise? Do you meditate? Do you listen to music?
Everyone has a different way to relax.
I think the most important thing is to be kind to yourself.
Yes, be your own best friend.
Don't be too hard on your mind.
Our thoughts are just thoughts. They are not always reality.
That is a very deep thought for today.
I enjoyed our conversation today, Ryan. It was very calming.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode. Stay positive.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.